Modding Tomb Raider Chronicles and working with TA5 level files, these contain the complete 3D environments Lara Croft explores. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to view and modify these classic game level files. The fastest way to confirm a file's state is with a dedicated file reader. It's better at handling TA5 files with integrity issues than most dedicated programs. TA5 files are level data files from Tomb Raider 5 Chronicles, developed by Core Design. They contain complete 3D level geometry, texture data room structures, lighting information object placements, trigger configurations, enemy spawns, and scripted event data that define each playable environment in the game. TA5 files are level data files from Tomb Raider 5 Chronicles developed by Core Design. They contain complete 3D level geometry texture, data room structures, lighting information, object placements, trigger configurations, enemy spawns, and scripted event data that define each playable environment in the game. Tomb Raider Chronicles from Core Design offers a certified solution for the TA5 file type. Standard Windows programs often fail to correctly display all layers of the document. Windows cannot show meaningful content, so proper handling relies on the game or supporting tools. The solution is often a compatibility match. Right-click the TA5 file and select Open With. If Tomb Raider Chronicles is installed, test it now. If not, choose another application. Every app handles errors differently. If you cannot access the TA5 file, no problem. Before we proceed to the guaranteed fix, let's clarify the why. Here are the top technical explanations for the persistent TA5 file error. First, open in TR Viewer. Download TR Viewer, a community tool for browsing Tomb Raider level files. Open the TA5 file, and the viewer renders the 3D level geometry with textures applied. Navigate through rooms, inspect object placements, and examine the level structure in an interactive 3D viewport with free camera controls. Next, edit with Tomb Editor. Install Tomb Editor, the modern level editing tool for classic Tomb Raider formats. Import the TA5 level file to load the room, geometry objects, triggers, and lighting data into the visual editor. Modify room. Layouts. Place objects, edit triggers, and adjust lighting to create custom level modifications. Finally, build custom levels. Use Tomb Editor with WAD Merger and supporting tools to create entirely new levels in the TA5 format. Design room geometry, apply textures, place enemies and items, configure triggers and script events. Compile the level and test it in Tomb Raider 5 or the open source OpenTomb engine for playback verification. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagick. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.